Here we go, guys. Going to do an emergency Bitcoin price action video here. Okay. I tell you what, well, let me go back to yesterday. Oh my goodness, this was an amazing, huge topping tail, bearish engulfing, clearing candle, reversal candle. Only two, guess what? Reverse today. I mean, when the market reverses on a dime of 180, putting in basically a pivot here, that's some crazy price action. I don't know how else to say it. Now, what do we have sitting up? Okay. And like I always say, and you've seen it in the tweets, not only do timestamps don't lie, you got to think like a criminal. Okay. And if I was a market maker, you know what I would do? All the shorts are stacked up, everybody piled in here. I bet people called their grandmother and told her to short Bitcoin here. The reason being, and we like a lot of factors on our side. We had first of all, you had this high pivot going back to August of 22, which was previous resistance. And normally it's resistance again as you come up into it. Okay, then number two, we had the 50. The 50 is crossing down. Oh my goodness, the death cross, the death cross. Okay, well, the death cross is like 5 years late. I mean, Bitcoin sort of, uh, dropping to the downside way up here last year. But anyway, uh, the 200, okay, that's a tough spot to get over as well. So you had several, I got to give it to you. You had several factors here indicating or the probability that you're going to get a reversal. However, again, think like a criminal. It's only going to take a few $100s, if that. The 50's at 24,740. The 200 sitting at just over 25,000. So yeah, if we just come back and take out our high or close at our high, which was 25,000 so far, 25,262, we will clear all that out, including this high pivot resistance, the 200 and the 50. And we do that, guess what, kids? We're on the way to 30,000, okay, in a heartbeat. And let me show you how and why. We're right here, that green dash line across here, and you just take this line, you go up to the next resistance zone, consolidation zone, which would be probably right in here where we wick down one, two, three, closed over at four, and then slammed under at about 29,005. Okay, we hit 29,005. They're going to wick it to a whole round even number. I'm sorry, 29,005. Man, I'm so freaked out right now. Anyway, they'd wick it up to 30,000, okay? 30,000, there you go. And then even if they push it over that, we don't have any major resistance to speak of until we hit over 30,000. Really, that 31,007 is where I would call it. So it's going to be an interesting weekend. You know how Bitcoin is over the weekend. All the other casinos are shut down. Crypto's the only casino open for the degenerate gamblers, and let's see what they can do. It's only going to take one whale to come in here and bust this thing loose, because like I was saying, hey, this was an epic call right here. Everybody dogpiling in here, going short, calling, for 10,000, 8,000, $5,000 Bitcoin, get everybody on one side of the boat, and what they do, rocket to the other. Because the market, I guarantee you, Wall Street, whoever's controlling this thing, always does what hurts the most, okay? The most being the most people, retail investors, and the most meaning the most money. The most money out there they're going to take away from people, okay? All right, well, have a great weekend. We'll keep you posted and updated, and we will see you on the charts.